So, I'm gonna start this video with something silly. You know, just having a little talk with my wife, being silly one day, and I was like, you know, we doing something big in the neighborhood. We got a Supra in the driveway, you know, and I'm like, just being silly about it. So then that was when it got delivered. So then a week later, I'm like, my wife calls me, she goes, "You're not gonna believe this." And I'm like, "What's that?" "The neighbor just got her new car delivered." And I'm like, "Oh, okay, whatever." And I'm like, whatever. And she's like, "No, she just got a new car delivered. It's a brand new damn Bentley truck." I ain't gonna lie, that thing is sexy as all can be. It sounds sexy too. They pull it out the driveway. Man, I'm gonna grow up and get like them. That's what I'm gonna do. I got a lot of work to do. So, hey y'all gonna have to watch this channel or something. I don't know what today, which I'm gonna show you. And this bike, there was this bike at first. I thought it was one of them days of beautiful weather, out driving around, 80-something degrees in Florida. Guy's got his custom bike out, riding it around. It's like, man, that's nice. Later on that day, I stopped, and I was at the barbershop, matter of fact, and the guy pulls up banging. Anyways, I'm getting ready to leave, and I catch him leaving, and I had him demo it for me. Cool dude from Mississippi, I think he said he was from. And he was getting down. So I was like, listen, I miss getting down. It's time. Look at that thing. It looks good, man. Nice meeting you, bro. Living in Florida, y'all. Just a normal day. He ain't playing no. That's 2 10s, y'all. That's 2 10s. He ain't playing no games. Man, them 10s, man. That shit's nice, man.
16,000 watts on them, though.
What? What you running in there? Yeah?
Huh?
Bigger alternator? What?
3 batteries.
3 batteries?
Yeah,
that big? Right in the back corner?
It's 410.
Oh, yeah.
It's 410s in here. They got them small boxes.
Yeah. That motherfucker moving, though, dog.
You gonna see them, I assume.
Yeah, that's up to you. I'm surprised the trunk's still open. Hey, old brakes that mechanism.
See why I did these.
Yeah.
They put these individual boxes in there.
Yeah, so you get them in. Yeah.
I didn't know nothing about it, and so they did this, and I like them, man. Them 10-pounder is for them.
Yeah, them things is getting down.
They broke the fuck out there.
Yeah, I just seen their whole car moving.
Oh yeah, it's 16,000 watts in it.
You ain't playing no games.
Yeah, this was just won the contest.
Where at?
And
all right, y'all, look, man. I've been getting questions. Normally I do goofy stuff, and my wife doesn't ask questions. I do stuff. So I was doing some goofy stuff. We're setting up some goofy stuff. Hi, Nivy. Hi.
Hi, Bubba.
So I was doing some goofy stuff as usual. And last night, someone started questioning me, which normally doesn't happen. Normally doesn't happen. It's like, where's the Escalade? Where's it at? Where's the truck? And I'm like, oh, it's at the shop. That's what I said. Simple. Normally it's like, oh, okay. No, where is it at? Normally, that's not the case. Normally she's just like,
Normally I don't care.
Yeah. So
I just roll my eyes.
Yeah. So I'm like, all right. She must know I'm up to something stupid. So anyways, we are here at the shop and she doesn't know what stupidness I'm up to.
What shop? We know. Bakery?
See? So we're gonna go in here real quick and
What's your daddy up to?
check on this thing.
What's your daddy up to?
You ready to get up? You want up? Up?
Up.
Up? You ready to go? All
Ready.
right.
Ready, go. Oh, we can't.
So I went from, I was gonna run I got that Rockford 13. I was gonna run that. And then I was just like, I don't know. I want to be a little crazier. So after that Mustang I showed y'all, I said, fuck it. Let's break this Escalade. YOLO. Right. Let's see what happens. So just came back to pick up the truck. It's dirty. We gotta go wash this damn thing. It's dirty as hell. Been raining and mucking mud. Oh man.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Yes. That is beautiful. Wow.
They did a really good job.
Yes. That is so perfect. Oh man, that is great. Love it. So we made it down here to Max Audio. Got my two with me. Now, down here they do things a little differently. I'm from Milwaukee, and I've worked at many of different stereo shops, and you know, I come from an era where, you know, you get your normal like component set speaker and with the tweeter, then you're really doing something. But down here, people put like, you know, home style loudspeaker setups in their cars, which is totally different. Now these amps are crazy. These are not our normal amps we run from up there, and they get down. You know, as y'all know, I got one of these in the truck. Look at that. It's a 15,000 watt amp, 12,000 watt amp. Wild.
How loud do we want to get? My little pony.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check on these are the two owners right here. I'm gonna go check on mine real quick. See how mine is coming. Cutting? You still cutting it? Sorry, I'm just go take a look. They fix amps. See, I found me a little hole in the wall here. Honda Civic. Yeah, here at a workstation, cutting up stuff. Yeah, man. Vehicle that's big around here. Everybody doing these up. Damn, sound like you put a rotary in there. Yeah, you did. Hey. 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 We're just going for a walk. We're gonna walk around and go unload stuff out the Escalade so they can start doing the damn thing in there. Right? What was in her car right here? I got an L710, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, you know, but this is what I had in here just for something, you know. This is a Scar 15. I can't remember what series that was, but it does all right. I have the other one in my other Escalade up north, So I'm gonna put that back up in there. So there's 2 back in there. And I originally was gonna build a box for this Rockford, just that 13 inch Rockford. I was gonna put this in here, but for another one of these, it's $1,300. So I decided I'm gonna spend $1,300 on that. I might as well just give me 2 raw 15s, build a box, you know, and I'm gonna show you why I decided to go this route. AK, yeah, pulling out that BD 1000, pulling that out. All this room back here. Big stuff. Some noise.
Did you see?
That's real cool.
The bag is very, very, very heavy, man. Oh shit, man.
Yeah, you go ahead, buddy. You go ahead. We got a speaker box now. That's beautiful. Size reference. That's a full grown man right there. Standing up, working on the box. Now we're gonna carpet in material in a couple days. The place was closed today, so they couldn't get the carpet today. So I'm like, I gotta bring it back like Tuesday or Wednesday to recarpet it. Look at the way that X-Max sticks over the box.
Más calor, ¿verdad? Yo creo que sí, aquí se
Thank you, fellas.
the last.
Fill up the whole trunk.
Habría que hacer un piso.
Get a roof rack.
Sí, aquí tengo ya identificado de pasarle el trompo y tapizarlo y pegarlo.
Over the beginning. All right. Y'all see that? Today, it's one of those days where something simple turned into something big real quick. I was only gonna do one of my other subs I had, and I decided let's do 2 badass 15s and an 8,000 watt amp. But this reminds me of Milwaukee, where I grew up at, and I used to do music for a lot of people. Hell, I used to work for my boy C, Segunda, doing stereo installs with him. Tons of people. Freaky Zeke, I used to do work for Zeke. I used to work for Patty over at Cafeteria on the north side. And now I'm just a truck driver, man. I don't like doing installs like that no more. I'm done with that. So, anyways, I still love my music loud, but I ain't done a big Max Audio knocked this thing out the park. Out the park. Listen, man, I'm so impressed with it. It just, man, words don't do the justice. I mean, wait till you see this. Wait till you see this. Look at this. We still only just getting started. Look at this. U15s or X15s, version 3s. I mean, come on. Look at this. Y'all want to see him move?